Hi everybody, I'm Celia. Welcome to 30 Minutes Workshop. This is a tutorial for the beginners in Padsystem Cloud. I'm going to teach you 3 parts. The first part, I will teach you how to work with Padsystem Cloud, registration, activation, trial, subscription. The second part, I will teach you how to start your work, create your store, create a pattern work file, create a marker work file, send a work to auto-nesting service. Third part, I will teach you how to get supporting service. Let's start the tutorial, how to work with Padsystem Cloud. Registration, you can open your browser and visit share.padsystem.com. Then you can see the sign-in page here. If you are an existing user, you can type your email and password to log in your account. If not, you can click here, sign up to register a new account. Then you can see this sign up page. You can type your email and password. Be careful, the length of the password must be between 6 to 16 characters and do not input special characters. For example, percentage, slope, @ colon, etc. Activation and activation email will be sent automatically to your email address. If you cannot find the email, you can also check your spam folder. If you still cannot find in spam folder, you can go back to your account and then click your store to resend your activation email to your email box again. Once you can receive the activation email, you can go inside and click the link to activate your trial account. Trial, when you become a trial user, you have 30 days trial from register day. Trial account cannot download your file. If subscribed within trial period, the new subscription period will be start after trial is over. Download function will be available instantly. Here you can click this people icon and go to account. Then we'll show you the account info. This will show you the account status is a trial and the web activation date here. Also, you can check your trial expiry date. Subscription, you can click this account and go to this license page. You will see the license expiry date in here. If you want to subscription, you can click subscription now for subscription payment. Once you click subscription now, the start subscribing box show here, and subscription price show you $40 USD per month for each license. You can use credit card for the payment. The payment recurrent monthly. If you want to add additional license, you can click this number of license. Here have a cross here, you can click to add license. System requirement for Padsystem Cloud. Operating system, for the Windows, you can use Win 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, For the Macintosh, you can use OS X 10.6 to 10.15. Processor. For the Windows, you can use Intel Sandy Beach i5 2500 or above. Macintosh, you can use Intel-based Mac or above. For the browser, we recommend you use the Google Chrome. It's better. For the system requirement document, you can refer to Knowledge Base, Padsystem Cloud, FAQ, Old MyPad, FAQ, Operating System. Create your store. What is meant by store? Store is a place, like a folder, you can storage your pattern and marker file. You can see this is a square, it means a store. This is a store. If you want to create a new store, you can click this cross sign and then input your store name. For example, Spring 2021. And then input your description, maybe skirt. From Hong Kong. Now, we'll add a new one here. Next, create a pattern work file. What is meant by work? Means your pattern file and marker file. I open a store. You will see the store have the pattern file and the marker file. This is pattern file and this is the marker file. And when you click the file, will show the file information on your left-hand side, work name, type, pattern design, version 7, owner serial, modify date, and create date. Also, you can change the view of the file. You can click this icon, will show you the list of the file. If you want to search your file, you can click here, use the browser searching function, find, or you can press Ctrl F. Type which file you want to find. The file name may be 55. Okay. We'll show you the file. Okay. Next step is to download the packaging. What is meant by packaging? Packaging is the installation file, which include the pattern software and the marker software. You need to download and install. You can click this icon, download packaging. Packaging file will be downloaded to your computer Then you can install it. Sometimes you cannot download the Pad agent, mainly due to the browser security setting. Click on the log icon in the browser. Next to the URL bar, click Site Setting and set Include Content to allow it to download. Then you go back to download Pad agent icon and download again. If you have downloaded Pad agent, it still cannot open the work file. Please make sure it is installed successfully on your computer. For installation problems, please refer to the installation guide of Pad agent section. Next, I introduce the profile. Click the people icon and then profile. Here, show you information, username, and your email address, and your country. Also have computer name, phone number, address. We also recommend you input here also. Here, Pad version preference. You click here, you can choose what version you are opened by your file. Version 6, version 7, or each time when you open your file will ask me which version. Then I click Ask when I open file, you save it. Then now we can open the store. And start to create a new file. Create file icon, click here, and you can select pattern file or marker file. I want to create a pattern file. Input your pattern name. Now, the system asks me which version of Pad would you like to use. I want to use version 7 to open this file. Then the pattern icon will show at the bottom and flashing. You click here to open. We draw the pattern and then save and close. Sometimes when you open your file, we'll have error message like all licenses are occupied in editing other files. Opening as read-only appears. Reason is all licenses are used up by other files. So work file can only be opened in read-only mode. Then how to do? You need to unlock the work file. Here, this file has a golden lock here. You need to unlock. You select this file and then click this unlock icon. Then we'll show you the dialog box as you are you sure You want to release this work? If yes, click yes. Next, create a Markup work file. Go back to this Create File icon. Click Create Markup. Input your work name. Okay. Then the system asks me which version of Pad would you like to use. I use version 7 to open this file. And the marker icon will show at the bottom of the screen, and then click. Then in here, it show all the store here. You can choose which store you want to open and choose your pattern file for the marker making. This is the pattern name, and this is the size. You can fill up the breakdown. 37, I want to 1 piece, and 39, I want to 2 piece, and 41, I want to 1 piece. Here show to you the fabric name, and I want to this. You can type the fabric with cell fabric 160 cm. Layer 1, okay? Open the marker in here. I want to auto-listing this marker. You can go to automatic and select the regular or sectional. I want sectional. And step marker, use the group by bundle. Okay. Then the job will submit to our server. Here you will see the auto listing list. You will see I submit the file wrinkle 23 and the job name here, and from which I can submit, and the position, estimate start time, estimate complete percentage, and efficiency, and the progress. When the progress bar is finished and the estimate complete 100%, you need to wait until the estimate start finish. This time disappear, the job will be finished. And the position, if you see the position have a number, that means the job still on the queue waiting for the listing. Until the position change to 0, that means start to auto nesting. At this time, I no need to wait for the finish the job. I can close it. And in the store, I can open another file to work. For example, this file, I open it. Maybe the file open is read-only mode in here. I want to change it to the edit mode. You can go here, File, and Get Key. Okay. Then this file will be changed to the edit mode. Then if I have a finished listing file, I can go back to the listing list. And here, this file I submit before, and I want to pick it up. Select it and pick up. Okay. Next is how to get supporting service. In here, you can see have a question mark icon. You click here and take the live chat. If you have any question, you can through the live chat to contact us. Fill in all the information and your questions clearly and submit to us. Usually, live chat is for the general support. For example, you have the platform issue, you can use that live chat call. If you have a Padsystem issue, you can click here, go to knowledge base. And knowledge base is show you the user guide and the tutorial video for your learning. If you have any questions, you can send mail to us. Send to this email to us, support@padsystem.com. Now the tutorial is finished. If you have any questions, you can type to me. Oh, Jonathan, hi, Jonathan. You asked how can we import DXF file? Yes, we can use the download function to download your DXF file. Here for the download function, maybe next lesson, I will teach you the upload, download, and more function. Yes, I download and my pattern did not come and cannot get to listing and before give up on your program. Sometimes you cannot download maybe your file name issue. If your file name have special character, you cannot download. So if you have this problem, maybe you check your file name first and then change it and download again. Sorry, the time is almost up. If you have any questions, please send email to our support@padsystem.com and we will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.